Friends, nirok tini payment bagai. Sung TSF nengge sini press conference asokman nengge. Ang nirok ni TSF ni General Secretary Hamalu an loge tong sini Vice President Pintu, sini Chief Organizing Secretary Bibas, te sini Assistant Finance Secretary Samor, an yagro tong sini Joint Secretary Reno, te sini Assist Central Leaders, Divisional Leaders, jotono tongo. Tini jeng press conference asokman ni komana nirok sigo jeng TSF kedungma salrogo sini movement temana te Roman script nate jeng kai pai to 2020 ni jeng kisa governor ni jeng memorandum loga jeng nirok mukhana aman borga jeng stride up ka board by malaika jeng memorandum to yaparing to haipana temanuk jaka government ro assure khai kaje borok sungno ronai roman script by biset khai jang nai te bengali script biset khai jang sung amono goseni na ka haipana sung tak tamano kha thangnai 17 march kok ro paper cbs ni tongmani aro bengali script by biset khai jang question paper kaisa board exam se yak by suija question paper baksa hoi man ande rok tangai CBS ini simi khorang tisa CBS ini guardian student somai contact khaika sung borno thang visit khaika TBS ini sung khorang som khalia haipana sung boron bai sung khorang tisa ito amo sung public ma busine tabo sung kabang memorandum rokha kabang ma leaders kabang political party bai sung malai sung akai sung TSF omana sung decision khaika sung tabo kemo malai liya borok sumai phaima malai nai sini students rok ni future thangjalai dongo sung ma busi nai sung thangjaga khorang mati sanai ang public na appeal khainai especially students sung sini makha khna class 12 ni CBSE board exam ko group par anga thangi tong sung niro ni support na guardians rok niro ni support na nirok support khaya ke sini movement success ngla sung jotono no koinai students guardian public political party NGOs social organization student organization tabok de kaisa omo cockroach speaker on ismi fight ya I will invite even non cockroach speakers omo nirok no fight nirok ma businai sung cockroach saya sung tangai khane kongke any movement success ngla thangnai goro sini traffic police harassment khaijaka boto kobrok sanaya haibana khaijaka ble harassment amu sung ma busine boni bagai TSF sung jebur pano sini jeb phan tongsa sung khaine tong thangnai strike khaipro bo sing leaders orjo to tona jotoni case masaka kodo thangma tongo sung sini bai khaya guardian rok ma busi nai sung nirong ni busa nirong ni churai nirong ni jati kusin bai khai to and our future generation thangnai class 10 exam ronai ro borok fail singnai ni baksa saka pasi pore maya bai ka sunei ba borno roman script bai phrangja ka government assure khai ka ba borbo waso ka yes roman script phrangpano question paper roman script bai nang nai tabok jung appeal khainai TSF ready tango TSF bas kai hinga ni ready tango nirok loged etong amos ta question public student loged etong boni bagai TSF khna 24 March 2025 jeng indefinite strike dakogoi tango sini TSF dengai sung jotta political party jotta organization jotta student organization joto borok nirong na appeal khainai of movement no success khage ni bagi sung nogo thugoi tongoi simi TSF no simi nai sagai of movement success ngla sung vision pare di khainai haifana nirong ni support karike movement bagi success ngai my dear student you should understand nirong bai sung fight khai tongo sung case masai tongo nirong kirigei nogo tong tong hang of movement success ngla guardian rok ma businai sung sika khana 21st March cover paper 12 in the thangi to baksa hangoi mana exam bahai ke ronai tarodi sung reschedule khai ronai sung pal ke tu prano hor musung ma khang ke tangai government kiriang nai ba sung TSF simi khang ke sene haya niro public mo ma businai students niro dress kind of hadi sung loge tongo niro ma businai sung niro ni bagai sung je khai ma sak sini phan tok sak sung khai ne to public rock especially we should understand tamang goi to sini movement tangai success nya 50 years na tangai sung ma businai bone bagai sung jot to organization jot to student you may be from different community different tribe khanani o movement of participate khagen bai sung koi nai te government of India government of Tripura te both nirok directly sung by contact ma khai nai you may think we are very much like tabo sini logo students tongo guardian tongo public tongo government of Tripura sung amon one khai nirok problem solve khai musung thangke sung by direct contact khai di sung ready to talk ni bagai hai bana our students should not be played again language atoi question paper subject atoi sini student atoi politics ta khai chak sini student ni future manago ta thang nei chung nai ge bon bagai sung TSF sung sring tongmalia sini student ni dukh khono goi chung ma ba sapika sung appeal khai nai I appeal all the communities all the political organization NGO social organization to be part of this movement hambai
khana por agot laro khani de khana to assembly ko cholo na ya
chung statewide ne to process ganang ne sung straight da ko khaba sung public no amon appeal khai nai nirok ni jaga wono ta highway kabang ma dong aro jaga wono ka sodi sung kha khai ge public rock thang pai hasal tang problem hai pa na usok jara sung khai mana je jaga ni national highway kana aro ka sodi hasal khai yo aro ka sodi sung om dai ki phang ki sakhang ke sung kha khai ge sini demand fulfilling nai